Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2024 Mechanical Engineering paper. Question number 14 is consider the system of linear equations x plus 2y plus z is equal to 5, 2x plus ay plus 4z is equal to 12, 2x plus 4y plus 6z is equal to b. The value of a and b such that there exists a non-trivial null space and the system admits infinite solutions are option A is equal to 8, B is equal to 14, option B A is equal to 4, B is equal to 12, option C A is equal to 8, B is equal to 12, and option D A is equal to 4, B is equal to 14. So here we will we will form the augmented matrix and coefficient matrix. From the coefficients of x, y, and z, we can form coefficient matrix, and if we take the equality also, then it is augmented matrix. So this is your coefficient matrix 1 to 1, 2 a 4 and 2 4 6. This is your coefficient matrix. If we add equality here in the fourth column, then it is your augmented matrix. So now we will try to make the bottom row 0. Okay, we will try to make all the elements of the bottom row 0 and see if it is possible or not. So first operation to make this is R2 minus R1. So 2 minus 1 is 1, a minus 2, 4 minus 1 is 3, 12 minus 5, 12 minus 5 is 7. Second operation is R3 minus 2R2. So this is R3. So 2 minus 2 R2. 2 minus 2 is 0. And here 6 minus 6 will be 0. So that is the way. So these two elements have become 0. So now this element is 4 minus, we have to multiply by 2, 2a plus 4, and this is b minus 7 to 14. Okay. So this is the bottom row, and if all the elements of the bottom row are 0, then it will give infinite many solutions. For infinite many solution, one of the row should have all elements 0. That's why we are making all the elements. We will try to make the all the elements of this row 0. Now if we put it equal to 0 and put equal to 0, we can find out a and b. So a comes out of 4 or b comes out of 14. Or in other words, it can be understood that rank of coefficient matrix. So rank of this matrix, if these elements have become 0, then rank of coefficient matrix is 2. And this element, if this element, then rank of augmented matrix is also 2. So for infinite many solutions, rank of coefficient matrix and rank of augmented matrix should be same, and it should be less than number of unknowns. Number of unknowns are x, y, z. So there are 3 unknowns. So this condition is satisfied, or we can say the one of the row of the augmented matrix should have all the elements 0, or rank of matrix should be equal to rank of augmented matrix should be less than number of unknowns. So a is 4, b is 14. Answer is a is 4, b is 14. Answer is A. So a is 4, b is 14. Answer is B.